how to download and install WhatsApp mobile app. Today I'll show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your mobile device, whether you're using Android or iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your phone's App Store or Google Play Store. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, open the Apple Store. Now let's search for WhatsApp. Now tap on the search tab and simply in the search bar search for WhatsApp Messenger and look for the official app by Meta. As you can see, we have here WhatsApp Messenger. Simply tap on download to download and install it, and that's it. Simply tap on it, and if there's an update available, simply update it as well. Once you've done that, your WhatsApp will be downloaded and installed on your phone.